Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back with another video. And this is the part 2 to the video you saw last time. And I'm pretty sure I left off saying something about we had to get new camber nuts because the alignment shop couldn't get it lined up right. Since we had moved that to there. Now I'm still handicapped, so I can't really do this, but we are knocking the old ones out now. Pretty simple to do for the most part, and then we just put, not sure where the other one is, maybe in here. I found it. So here is the part number if you have the same truck and you want to know. This has +4 to -4 adjustment of change, camber, caches, whatever. You get the gist of what the grooves call. And here it is. Apparently 0 degree, aka neutral is what they call it. You put the N, sorry, y'all can't see. There's an N somewhere here, right there. I think so. Ignore my crusty, dusty, rusty, musty hands. But basically, you put the N in there like this. On the side that he's out there working on right now, you put it in like that. And supposedly it zeroes out the camber. Therefore, the alignment should be good. And therefore, I can tell y'all if moving the I-beams up to the first hole was a success and took care of a bump steer. I'm praying and hoping that it will. Even if it doesn't and helps a little bit, I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I'm going to be like, yes, it's helped. Yes, it didn't help. Yes, it did a lot. No, it didn't do anything. But I'm going to bring this one out there to him. And y'all don't really want to see how to take the camber bushings out because I think I already made a video about that. But I'll get back with y'all whenever we have them both in. We were at the alignment shop for the 2nd day in a row. Basically, these trucks are just a butthole whenever it comes to aligning them. So I try not to film any of this, but I just wanted to show y'all that it's not easy. It's not easy doing alignments. I mean, look at this thing. It's almost all the way out of the freaking thing right there for whatever reason. But yeah. After this, hopefully they can get it straight and get everything adjusted, but I kind of highly doubt it. But we can all hope for the best, right? 30,000 hours later from the alignment shop, and after the alignment shop did it wrong for the 4th or 5th time, we're back here doing it ourselves. So let me explain something to y'all real quick. I'm making this video because y'all were telling me to move that I-beam up to that hole, and I've been driving around ever since we came back from the alignment shop, and it was pulling so hard to the right, and it just wasn't really drivable, honestly, or really even able to tell if it took away the bump steer and stuff. So moving those I-beams up just caused a bunch of more problems. But I think in the end, it might be better because even though it was pulling to the right super bad while I was driving, I did notice that going over bumps, it was a little bit more stable, which is why I moved them in the first place. So there's a plus right there. I'm gonna let y'all look at the wheels real quick. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but they're both positive camber right now. I think this one's a little more, and we need to fix that. But something y'all need to know if you're doing this on your truck, 2-wheel drive, 6-inch lift, I just figured out, because we've been at this for like a year, ever since we did this lift, trying to get the steering right. Let me tell y'all something. On the instruction sheet, it says to make the camber +1 and a little less on the passenger side, or a little more. It's in the instructions on your lift kit. When it comes, look at the instructions, look at like the very bottom of it. It's like step 26 or 25 or something. It'll say to have it at a positive camber instead of a 0, like a 0 degree. So note to self, looks like we're gonna be doing alignments by ourselves now because that's what we've been doing. We've been turning these little knuckle nuts, whatever you want to call them, in there, trying to eyeball +1 camber for both of these tires. We have this little piece of paper over here, so I'm not telling y'all wrong. Let me see. This is my dad's writing, not mine. I'm good at writing, so. Camber 3/4 to 1 positive, I'm pretty sure is what he's trying to write. And then driver side 1/8 to 1/4 more positive. So the driver side needs to be. So this was the alignment shop. See, this guy got it freaking beautiful, right? This is the perfect specs and everything like that. But I got home and it wasn't so perfect. It was actually the worst it's ever been. So therefore I was really confused because the alignment sheet said it was dang near perfect. So I did a little bit more research, found the rough country instructions. I think I hit the jackpot. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. This is going to be part 2 to the video before this. And the truth about moving the I-beams up is still undecided. But I do think even through that terrible pull to the right, I do think it helped a tiny bit. I do think I was able to tell once I get the steering all settled and got it decent how I want it, then I will come back in a later video and tell y'all if it worked or not. So moral of the story, don't lift twin I-beam 2-wheel drives. Just don't. Or don't put spacers on it. I'll be making videos about it, okay guys? I'm gonna show y'all, that's what this whole channel is what I'm trying to lean towards, is just about this truck and ways to make it work and ways to fix it. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know it probably wasn't what you were expecting. It wasn't what I was expecting either. But like I said, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.